Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write an essay on the coconut tree. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is, the coconut tree is thin and tall. Second line is, it has many green leaves. Third line is, it grows in warm and tropical places like beaches. Fourth line is, these trees are very strong. Fifth line is, they can survive strong winds. Sixth line is, its wood and leaves are also useful for making things. Seventh line is, their wood is used for building houses and boats. Eighth line is, their leaves are woven into baskets, mats, and roofing materials. Ninth line is, husks are used to make coir, a material for ropes, mats, and brushes. Last line is, coconut trees are a symbol of tropical paradise.